Today's word is she. S-H-E. She. Can you say it? She. Great job. She means a girl or woman. Listen. She is my friend. She likes to dance. She is so kind. Say it with me. She.